Hello, teacher. My name is Christopher and my partner Catherine. This is our conversation about what would you like to do? Hello, Kate. How's everything going?
I am fantastic. What about how are you?
I've never been better.
That's good. Tell me, what are you doing, friend?
I would like to visit the Eiffel Tower because it's iconic, beautiful, and fantastic. What about you? What would you like to do?
I would like to try French food and visit museums because it is interesting and delicious.
It's a good idea. Let's go.
Thank you, teacher.